In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a personal Trello board. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to streamline your project management routine, I'll guide you through the essential steps in setting up your board and customizing it to fit your workflow. First, we need to head over to Trello.com, which is your gateway to accessing Trello's powerful organization tools. Once you are there, you'll find the login option. Clicking on it will prompt you to either enter your email or use your Google account to get started. Both options offer a seamless login process, so choose what's most convenient for you. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you'll find the option to create a new board. This is where the magic begins. Click on Create New Board and let your imagination flow by naming your board. This is a crucial step as naming your board sets the intention for how you'll use it. Consider names that reflect the purpose of the board, like project management or personal tasks. Next, you'll select a workspace. Think of the workspace as the umbrella under which your board will exist. It's helpful if you're managing multiple boards for different projects. Visibility is another important aspect to consider when creating your board. Trello allows you to choose from options like private, team, or public visibility. If you're working solo or with sensitive data, private might be your best bet. For collaborative projects, team visibility works great. Now with the basics set, we go ahead and click Create. Your blank canvas is ready. Let's make it functional by adding lists. Common list names that help in tracking workflow are to do, doing, and done. Start by clicking Add List, name the first one to do, then repeat the process for doing, and finally for done. With lists in place, it's time to populate them with cards which act as tasks or items needing action. Click Add a card under the to-do list and name it something relevant like Project 1. This simply serves as a placeholder task that you can expand upon. Once a card is created, click on it to open a detailed view where you can add more specifics. Fill in the description to provide more clarity about the task and ensure everyone, including future you, understands the goal. Trello offers multiple features to enhance your cards. You can add labels to categorize tasks by priority or type, add checklists to break tasks into smaller steps, and set dates to keep track of deadlines. Each of these features enhances the usability of Trello, making it a robust tool for managing personal and professional tasks. Whether you're organizing your next big project or managing daily tasks, this tutorial equips you with the foundational steps to make Trello work for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.